take off.
How ready is St. James?
Oh, St. James is super ready. In fact, St. James has been, and every poll that has been done has shown that St. James is a literal wipeout insofar as the opposition is concerned. They are totally, almost non existent in St. James. We are likely to take all seats in St. James. That's what our program is about, taking all seats. So you tell Mr. Troop and all those who are trooping around that we're coming to him. And Westmoreland, we're going for Westmoreland, of course. Hanover, St. James, Trelawney, St. Elizabeth. All five parishes in Cornwall in the west. Yes, I'm sure you will hear good stories about the rest. But right now, it's about the west.
Give us your view on the conference today, but the
Oh,
excitement is there.
today is a powerful day. You will see the JLP in all its strength and glory. Our councillors who represent the divisions are all going to be here. Both those who are sitting councillors as well as the caretakers. Our Prime Minister is ready. He's chomping at the bits. He's excited. He's fully attuned to drive the message and to bring home the bacon when he calls the date.
Thank you.
Good?